Samsung's interactive whiteboard brings your lesson plans to life. When you pull up your lesson on your computer or your tablet, simply click a few buttons to screencast onto the display. Now, the entire class can see your lesson in high definition. But let's take it a step further. Annotate directly on top of the display to highlight or call out certain points, or have students come up to the board and work through problems. Everything can be shared with students or downloaded onto a USB drive. The interactive whiteboard supports the way you teach now. There's no need to learn complex technology or adopt new lesson plans. A simple lesson about the solar system can become an interactive experience where students can rotate the Earth around the sun and truly visualize the distance between planets. Imagine all the ways Samsung's interactive whiteboards can enhance your lessons.